Y'all, spirit boosters, I'm making bacon hash brown potatoes. Onions, garlic, bell pepper, celery, and they're going to be eaten with buttery dinner breakfast rolls and fluffy eggs. I don't know if I'm sharing it all, but anyway, bon appetit, spirit boosters. What are you having for breakfast? And like I said, with a couple of crusty buttered breakfast rolls. Bon appetit, y'all. Enjoy your breakfast. Let me know in the comments what you're having for breakfast. Thanks for all you do, spirit boosters. Welcome any new spirit boosters. Remember, share what's happening, share your what's happenings, share your what's going on, share your what's going on, and what's happenings.